Hello everyone, my topic for the PharmaVid competition is the effect of pandemic on the pharmaceutical industries. And the theme on which it's based upon is data science, computational tools, artificial intelligence, and more novel technologies, evolution and contribution in pharma research. So, if we talk about the effect of pandemic on the coronavirus on the pharmaceutical industries, it's huge because in the starting, the India faced the shortage of the raw material or the active pharmaceutical ingredient, which it imports from the China as at the rate of 60% of the total quantity. There was one intermediate which was coming from China and which was essential for the making of hydroxychloroquine, which has shown results in the early season of the COVID-19 pandemic. So within the 4 weeks, India started to manufacture that one intermediate by finding out alternative pathway. So in this way, the pharmaceutical industries got to know that research and development plays a very important role while doing while making any drug. So research and development is the need of the hour, and by doing this, we will have to create an ecosystem to invest a lot in the research and development to create and to synthesize new drugs and formulation for the betterment of the humanity. As we know, in the starting hours, the demand was very much and the supply was very less because some of the workers were affected by COVID 19 and some of the people had to follow the norms of social and distancing and they had to come very less to the industry. So, industrial work was quite affected during that time. Now, we talk about the highly priced control. That Indian market is highly priced control. So we have to incentivize in some of the incentives we have to give so as to energize the companies, pharmaceutical companies to do some of the research and development work. Also, we have to do a collaboration with the NIPERS and various research institutes and the research laboratories so as to come out with very good innovations. And it was the lies and livelihood in the starting of the COVID-19 pandemic because some people were having suffering from lives and some people were suffering from the livelihoods. As we know that India is the third largest in terms of the production whole around the world. It's not just about innovation. It's about the collaboration with the MNCs, multinational companies, and whomsoever possible, so as to make the supply chain and the availability of raw material very efficient. Exportation and the manufacture of the drug should be at ease, and for to come up with a solution for the betterment of the public, for providing health care to each and everyone should be the main goal of the pharmaceutical industries. And this has been taught by the COVID 19 pandemic very, very well, I think. Even if there is going to be innovation, we need to make vaccine at the end of the day for the public. And it has to be available for all of them at a very low cost, and it should be efficient in terms of efficacy and the results and with no side effects. This should be the main motto of the pharmaceutical industries to find some of the alternative pathways with less side effects and should make a tie-up with all those for all those with all those industries so as to make those clinical trials very efficient. The innovations keep the patient at the center, and there should be no better thing than that. So, our healthcare sector also should combine with the pharmaceutical industries in this global crisis so as to make this achievement a global thing for eradicating this COVID 19 from the world. Thank you.